If you're in your 20s or 30s and you are serious about leveling up, stop waiting for a lucky break. The richest people you know today, they didn't just stumble into money. They invested in things most people ignore in their 20s. And today I'm breaking down the 10 best investments you can invest in right now that will pay off for the rest of your life. Some of these are financials and some are not, but all of them expand your earning capacity, your opportunities, your freedom. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to put your energy so that 2026 and beyond will be your most profitable year yet. Let's dive in. If you're meeting for the first time, I'm financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian stock market, but most importantly, a money cheerleader. On this our finance family, we are all about financial freedom, leveling up, side hustle, business ideas, investment. I know you like that kind of thing because you too like money. Hit the subscription button right away to join us. Welcome to the family. Number one investment you should be making right now: invest in high demand skills. At this stage in your life, stacking up bankable skills is your surest way to expanding your earning capacity. Whether it's tech, finance, digital literacy, communication, skills are like a currency. The more valuable skills you have, the more doors are open for you. And today we are in the best of times where you can learn all of these skills on the internet, some of them free of charge. There are so many YouTube videos that will give you what way more than schools will teach you. So 2026, make out time to learn as much as you can, develop your existing skills, and while you are at it, if there are relevant certifications you need, please, you should get them. For instance, now I am an accountant, but in Nigeria, if you search for those that like studied accountants in school, we will be in millions. But if you ask for those that are chartered, that number drops, right? I didn't stop there. I got into investment banking. I became a chartered stockbroker because there are so many investment bankers, but there are not so many stockbrokers. And even with that, still went deeper to become a licensed dealer in the Nigerian market. So this way, I can't even say I'm looking for work because when I put all of these qualifications together, now companies go they rush you, right? So in your own field, your own industry, are there relevant certifications you should sit for? Because they are merge it with your skills, you will be unstoppable. Number two things to invest in your personal brand. This one is like the biggest hack most people ignore. See, when you have a strong personal brand, it can unlock doors that even your money cannot unlock. I was listening to Cody Sanchez not long ago. She makes content on business and all that. She was like, she already has her own thing going. She has her business, she has the money. But why did she still come on social media to start creating content? She said there are places that with all her money she couldn't get into, but with content, people now know her, the platform she has built, she gets invited into some of these places. So it's not even just about making money. Having a solid personal brand is something you should become intentional with in your 20s and 30s. It's how people perceive you, know who you are, the influence you carry. It will not happen overnight, right? You have to work for it, and social media is usually the fastest way to get there. Choose a platform. It could be here on YouTube, sharing what you know. It could be on LinkedIn, Instagram, whichever works for you. Just jump on it and start sharing intentionally. Number three, invest in your visibility. You know who wins big while others wait? People that show up. Let me tell you, hiding in your share will cost you money and opportunities. Visibility is a shortcut to growth. I know you are talented. I know you are smart. I know you know so much. But while you are there, doing my talent will discover me. People who are strategic with their visibility are cashing out. Like, I know so many times people have come to me, Jennifer, you should apply for this, you should apply for that, that you are doing so well. There are so many people that are not doing half of what you are doing. See the impact you are making. Thousands of women at the finance fair. Okay, 2025 alone now, Fintra women did like almost 4 billion. You know, they send this is across. Do I apply? I didn't used to, but now I'm becoming intentional because people that are not even doing as much as you think they are doing, they are getting all of these things, and you with your impact and all, nobody knows you. Now who we know, we they give our money. So please, you need to be intentional with your visibility. Number four, invest in assets, not just lifestyle. Don't worry, lifestyle go come. You know all the cars, the fancy things, iPhone 17, this one, that one. These things are nice, but my dear, they are taken from you. They won't make you wealthy. It's asset that is going to make you the money you are looking for. Some of your money should be going into things that produce value over time. It could be investment like stock, equity, mutual fund, real estate. You need to start now while you are still young and free. You don't have a lot of responsibility. You are probably not married, or you might be married, but you don't have that so much responsibility compared to people that have adult children and all. You have to start now. And talking about investment in this community, we have so many videos on that. Oh, the best time to even jump right into it. Our 2026 1 year workshop. In that room, this is like a gathering of financial men and women where we come together to ask ourselves, where is this money? What are the smart money moves you are making in 2026? 2026. I'll be sharing some of the investments I think are going to do so well for 2026, some of the ways I think people will be making money, opportunities to create passive income, how to expand your multiple income streams and all that. These are the things we'll be discussing in the 2026 Money Year workshop, and you get to interact and meet other financially minded people. See, for less than $5, just join us. I'm going to leave the link on the description and on the pinned comment. If I just comment link, and I will send you the link to join the 2026 Money Year workshop. The fifth thing you should be doing right now, learn sales and marketing. Whether you're running a business or just selling yourself, learning to sell and market is non-negotiable. Let me tell you something I stand by. If you can learn to sell, trust me, you cannot be broke. No matter what it is you want to do, a freelancer, gigs, build a career, start a business, run a side hustle, all of this relies on the skill of sales and marketing. Because you can start the business, you might have all the money to start something, but if people don't know why they should buy from you, if people are not seeing you, they cannot buy from you. So if you can acquire these skills, in fact, dedicate the next few weeks, read books on sales and marketing, it's something you can learn over time, and trust me, it's a profitable investment. Sixth thing you should be investing in right now is your financial literacy. Our schools do not teach us this one. Most of our parents didn't teach us, but let me tell you, if you do not learn how money works, you might be stuck in the rat race. That's just the sad truth. But then, not to worry, because you're already part of this community, because you're watching this video, and in this our family, we are all about the finance. We are all about improving our financial literacy. So you're on the right side. So it's important you understand things like investing, budgeting, compounding. The earlier you start, the faster you can break through. Or like I told you, you're already in this community. We have so many videos, as I'm going to link some of them in the description, that would help you, to improve your financial literacy. And like I mentioned before, our 2026 One Year workshop, that's even the perfect place for you to get into the room of like mind, because when everybody is talking about money, investment, and all, it gingers you, right? So yes, we will be taking up on our financial literacy. Go to the link on the description or on the pinned comments to join the workshop. Number 7 thing you should be doing as a young person is to start your own business. Now, this might not be for everybody, but if you are entrepreneurial in nature, it's time to start a side hustle, no matter how small. You have a lot of time to experiment. I know some people will say jack of all trades. Oh, you did this one today, it didn't work, you did that one. If you not experiment and fail now, is it when you become older and have a lot of responsibility you're going to experiment? No, try as much, try different things until you find your goal. And you can start it off as a side business while you still maintain your 9 to 5 to be paying the bills until you can afford to break out. A small business you start today can become your main income tomorrow, and it's going to compound in way a paycheck may never do. 8 things you should be investing is invest in relationships. I'm not talking about the superficial networking people do just to show off. I know this one, I know that person. I mean real meaningful relationship, mentors, colleagues, even your peers, people you can grow with, people who see you, challenge you, push you forward. One thing you must know, which you already know, is that the relationships you have can open doors that money may not open tomorrow. The people you know today, and it's even better when you grow up with these people. Yes, it's good to have mentors, people you look up to, but do not forget your peers. Why are that? So become intentional with the rooms you get into, the people you meet, and not just meeting them, learn to nurture them. Jennifer, this is also to you, because I'm the worst person when it comes to nurturing relationship, but 2026 we are getting better at it. Oh, please, have you liked this video? I beg you with everything you hold dear, kindly hit that like button. That's how much it means to me. Yes, please hit the like button to like the video. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Number 9 things you are investing is in your mindset and personal development. In all of this we are talking, if you do not expand your mindset, you will continue to play small. Limiting beliefs are very costly. There are some people that do not believe that in this their life, they might get a certain level. Those are the kind of people you tell them, oh, you make so amount. They'll be like, you're a liar. I'm like, on top how much? Do you understand? Limiting belief is something you must break away from. Listen to podcasts, read books, look up to others that do amazing things in your industry. Investing in your mindset, expand both your income capacity and your inner peace. And finally, on number 10, invest in your health, your energy. Now that's the way they are alive, they find money. You should know that your body is your most valuable asset. You need to feed it right. 2026, be intentional about moving your body. You don't have to be going to the gym. Like for how many months now? iFitness don't chop my money finish. I stopped. At least these days, what I do is work in my estate. And of course, what you eat. I feel like that's even the worst. Like that's the hardest part. But we need to keep trying. I am very obsessed with women particularly that look too young. I am very obsessed with women in particular that look too good for their age. I'll do like, this is the only obsession I have. I love to see them. I love to see them. You know all these women that they tell you, I'm in my 50s, I'm in my 60s, you'll be like, I don't understand how. That is where I want to get to. That is where I need you to get to. And it doesn't happen by chance. It is now we are still younger. You are in your 20s, you are in your 30s. You need to invest in your body. So there you have it, 10 investments that matter more than your fancy cars and the rest of them. If you take even half of some of the things we listed here, you will not just survive, you are going to thrive. And like I've said before, if it is about your finance in this community, you will get all of that in the linked videos I'm going to leave on the description. But most importantly, you should be in the 2026 Money Year workshop. That's like the only investment that can impart a lot of the things we listed here today. And with less than $5, you can join in. Just comment link and I'm going to share it with you. So come down to the comment section and let me know which of these 10 investments are you prioritizing right now. Who knows, you can find your accountability partner in the comments.